Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to hide repost on Instagram. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, open up the Instagram app. And once you're in here, just go ahead over to your profile right here at the bottom right. Just tap on it. Now, as you can see here, I'm currently in the repost section. Now, there's no straightforward way to hide all of your reposts, but you have two options, okay? You can just straight up delete it or remove it from your repost section, or you can go ahead and make your account private. So first up, deleting a repost. All you have to do is just tap and hold on the repost, and then while holding the repost itself, just go ahead and swipe your finger into the delete repost button. Okay, then release. That's it. Now to make your account private, just go ahead over to the top right, tap on the three horizontal lines. Now go ahead and find account privacy, tap on it. Now make your account private. Okay, just enable this button or slider so that other people won't be able to see your reposted videos. Also your content. Okay, it says here when your account is private, only the followers you approve can see what you share. That's it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.